Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to share all my pipeline tutorials between the iClones and other 3D software like the Maya, AutoCAD, Blender, Unreal Engines, and Character Creator 4. The pipeline tutorial means the transfer of the 3D models or any of the VFX in between two software. We call it the 3D exchange as well. So for all of these tutorials, it will involve two or more 3D software, and I already put the link in my video descriptions. You can just scroll down, go to check for my video descriptions and click into the first link. It will lead you to my website, thefreedom3d.art, and all of the filters is already set up for you. The software, I already put the iClones, and the tutorial type is the pipeline between software. Just for example, this Spore Creature Creator to iClones. Then in this tutorial, you can create any of the 3D monster, the 3D animals within the Spore Creature Creator, and then finally export as a 3D models for your iClones 8 or Character Creator 4. And for example, the Unreal Engine 5.3 animations, the motions, how to send it, export from Unreal Engine and import into iClone 8. Then one more, this is the AI 3D modeling. There are so many, 20 pages. For any of the pages, it will have all of my previous tutorials. If you are going to watch it, you can just right click, open in a new tab. Right click, open in a new tab. It is going to open in a new tab, and the video is already embedded there. Once you click play, then you can just click maximize. It is going to maximize it. You can just watch it from there.
Hey guys, my name is Fred.
This is one of the tutorials a long time ago. And for any of the resources that you require, you can just download it from my website. Right. It included some of the famous software like the Autodesk Maya, the Mizamo, the Make Humans, Vroid, etc., and also some other 3D platforms. How to transfer the 3D models, how to make it as a pipeline, for example, picture to 3D. This is an AI online apps, how to make it as a 3D avatar and rig it, finally make 3D animation in iClones. And for this one, how to import any animals and rig the animals into iClone. If you not yet get the iClone 8 3D animation software, you can just go to freedom3d.net. This is one of my websites, and get the iClones and CC4 from my websites. All of the links will redirect to Revolution's official sites, and these are my affiliate link. You can get it from my affiliate link from freedom3d.net. And that's all for today about my sharings of all my previous pipeline tutorials between iClone and other 3D software, which already categorize it and make it systematic by using a filter. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to a 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel at the bottom, and also turn on the mini bell to turn on all the notifications so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you.